Every cup begins with carefully grown leaves under the first light of day.
Quality begins with precision at the very first harvest.
Skilled hands gather the foundation of every future blend. Harvest flows steadily from field to collection point. Freshly harvested leaves move quickly to preserve their quality. Large-scale production relies on synchronized field operations. Each harvest window is carefully coordinated for efficiency.
Thousands of leaves come together in carefully managed batches.
Every harvest is measured to maintain production accuracy. Traceability begins long before processing starts. Fresh leaves travel directly toward the heart of production.
Material handling begins with controlled movement and care. Every batch is verified before entering production. Quality control begins the moment raw material arrives. Organized flow supports consistent production performance. The leaves now enter the factory's continuous production stream. The transition from agriculture to manufacturing is complete. Automated transport maintains efficiency throughout the facility. From this point forward, every leaf enters a carefully engineered process. Every section is designed to maintain quality and efficiency. Each pathway leads deeper into the manufacturing process. Material flow is engineered to keep production moving continuously. Protected transport helps preserve freshness and cleanliness. Reliable equipment depends on continuous inspection. Behind every process stands a network of supporting systems. Every movement is tracked before processing begins. Preparation gives way to the first essential processing stage. The transformation begins with cleaning, sorting, and preparation. The first step removes unwanted material while preserving the leaves. Careful separation begins with controlled vibration and screening. Airflow removes unwanted particles without damaging the harvest. Cleanliness is achieved through multiple layers of preparation. Experienced eyes add another layer of quality assurance. The first stage of industrial preparation is about to begin.
Careful regulation ensures a steady production stream.
Operations are guided by constant monitoring and control. Preparation transitions into the core manufacturing process. With cleaning complete, the leaves are ready for their first transformation.
Controlled airflow prepares the leaves for processing ahead.
Precision monitoring ensures consistency in every batch.
The prepared leaves now move into mechanical processing. Uniformity is maintained as processing continues.
Additional rolling enhances extraction and consistency.
The leaves are now ready for a crucial transformation. Carefully controlled oxidation develops the tea's character. Time, temperature, and oxygen shape the final profile. Every batch is evaluated before moving forward. Technology now prepares the tea for final classification. Automation begins examining every leaf with remarkable precision. Thousands of individual inspections occur every second. Mechanical grading delivers uniformity throughout production.
Continuous measurement supports reliable manufacturing performance.
Every system remains connected through centralized control.
Mechanical screening refines the harvest with precision.
The tea is now ready for precision refinement.
Drying preserves the character developed during oxidation.
Carefully regulated heat reduces moisture without damaging quality. The final moisture is carefully removed to secure shelf stability. Controlled conditioning promotes consistency across batches. The transformation now moves from heat treatment to stabilization. Verification confirms that cleaning standards have been met. The leaves have developed their essential character.
Controlled cooling prepares the tea for finishing operations.
Moisture levels determine stability and shelf life.
Even microscopic details define final quality. Flavor testing confirms the final sensory profile. Data-driven verification ensures full production reliability. Precision systems ensure only the best product moves forward.
Every batch receives documented quality assurance.
Full traceability connects farm to final product. Final authorization marks the transition to packaging.
The final stage begins as tea is prepared for consumer packaging.
Every packet is measured with industrial precision.
Automated inspection ensures every pack meets strict standards.
Each package receives its identity and traceability code. Individual packs are assembled into retail-ready cartons.
Secure wrapping protects products during transport.
Finished products await distribution to markets worldwide. Distribution begins as products leave the facility.
The finished tea now begins its journey to consumers worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce tea from harvest to finished packaging. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.